What is a sales funnel? Hi everyone, I'm back, and today I'm going to tell you all the basics that you need to know about a sales funnel. This is one of the most important concepts that you need to understand before getting into any digital marketing strategies. Let's start with what it is. Funnels are classic marketing concepts that help you map your customer's journey. In the digital marketing world, a sales funnel is a mixture of different marketing strategies to help you generate leads and eventually boost your sales. With the right funnel and smart tactics, you'll end up with happy and loyal clients who will advocate for your brand. Now, let me show you how it works. All businesses need to have good marketing foundations to grow. One of the key foundations for internet-born brands and businesses is their contact database. You can do this by setting different marketing strategies in this part of your funnel to generate leads. This is the part where you have to create attractive and interactive landing pages with unique content. You can adapt your landing pages to all your goals, either if that's to sell a product, a service, an experience, or drive traffic to your blog and your website. They'll help you keep track of your audience's reaction towards your content and build a strong contact list. With a strong landing page strategy, you might even be able to convert your audience into clients in just one click. Yeah, you heard right, in just one click. To achieve this, boost your sales faster. Your lead generation strategies are key. Leads are the ones who will eventually convert into clients, and in the long run, they are the ones that can become loyal clients and generate recurring sales for your business. So, you really want to invest in creating the best contact list for your brand. As you can see, a sales funnel can be pretty useful to build solid foundations for your business. Having this will lead you to the last stage of the funnel, which is when your audience converts and you achieve your sales goal. In the final stage of your funnel, once you have your audience engaged and interested in your business, and you have them in your database, you can communicate directly with them and strengthen your relationship through an email marketing campaign with newsletters and different messages. I bet the funnel sounds like a pretty great tool for you, right? Well, it is, and when used wisely, it can be a powerful way for you to have the highest possible conversion rate and build a list. My #1 recommendation for creating funnels is Clickfunnels, and my affiliate link is in the description if you want to give it a try for free for 14 days. Be sure to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll send you on to the next video.